What's up, everybody? Jay Fishes NH here. About to go out and do some filming. It's been a while since I've done a video. Just been really busy. We are out here on Crooked Pond right now in Loudon. Fish jumping all around me right now. A bunch of bluegill. I'm gonna get out here and see if I can't get some bass. It's a bit breezy. I figured I'd stick to a small pond. I don't have a ton of time today, but I wanted to get out and do another video. Hopefully we catch some fish and I can actually make this into a video. Gonna film regardless. There are some nice bass in here. It's just, you know, you really got to work for them. So let's hope we get on some fish. There we go. Well, it's not a monster, but it's a bass. All right, there's our first one. Just a little guy. It's the third bobber I've found already since being here today. Take care of your tackle, people. There we go. You're not getting away, buddy. All right. All right. That one's a little better. Give him a solid 2 pounds. Decent little fish. Set up the phone so I can get this from a different angle. All right, here we go. Now they're getting bigger. I gotta stop casting out too far because I have to get them through all these lily pads and they keep getting off the hook. So I just gotta start doing a little bit shorter casts, but getting better. About a solid 2 pounds. Whoa. All right. There we go. No, don't come up in the mic. Oh, that is a big bass. Oh boy. Get the net. So I didn't have that recording, but the GoPro is recording. Look at that, baby. That's not bad. I'll throw her on the scale. Get a weight on her. Get her back in the water real quick. .58. We're gonna do a slow-mo release on here. So that wasn't the monster that I was after. It doesn't want to stay. That's alright. I think I found a pretty good spot. I'm anchored down pretty good in here. We'll see. This wind is such a pain. It's not a fish. Yeah. Just a little guy. He is all hooked through the chin. All right. A little guy. Not bad. Starting to get fish now, at least. Not sure if you guys can see this. Those little tiny black dots. The lily pads are covered with them. If you look on my foot here, they're all tiny bugs. Look like little beetles. I was trying to wipe them all off. See this foot over here. At this point, it's just a losing battle. My scupper hole, it's just full of them. Look at that. I don't know what it is about me getting stuck in these bug swarms, but it's getting crazy. Oh boy, that's a good one. Ah. Jesus, buddy. Oh, he just soaked me. All right. Not a bad little one. Get you unhooked. There we go. There's a little guy. Maybe I'll make a video after all. There he goes. All right, guys. So it's about that time that I'm gonna get out of here. I fished for about 4.5 hours. I think there's probably enough footage to make something, so I'll make a video. So I guess thanks for watching, you guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you want to see more from Jay Fishes NH. Before I go, I just want to show you guys the disgusting amount of bugs that is inside of my kayak right now. Not sure how well you can see that, but all that is bugs. All over here, look at the bobber that I found. All little bugs. My entire kayak, all of my stuff are covered with those little beetles. What are you gonna do? All right, again, thanks for watching, guys. Take it easy.